I was about 12 years old when the Japanese invaded Malaysia, 1942. I was 12. And they came in through Kota Baru and then came right down south towards KL. And the British retreated. They went to Singapore in hope that they would hold the Japanese in Singapore, but they didn't last very long, and the Japanese took over. Within months, the war was over.
In 2017, Wadaketh Chako George, fondly known as VC George, received the Malaysian Bar's prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award. He is undeniably a legal giant, but he was once a small-town boy from Klang. He recalls his childhood days in Klang as a blissful time. This was halted abruptly, however, when the Japanese invaded Malaya.
In those days, we had English medium schools as well as vernacular schools. The Japanese came and converted the whole thing into Japanese medium schools. So my school, from using English as a medium of education, I started using Japanese.
But there was a silver lining. He became proficient enough in Japanese to become an interpreter for a Japanese garrison in nearby Banting. Long before VC saw himself as a lawyer, a teacher had recognized his potential and told him so. But he opted to study dentistry, only to realize that it wasn't his cup of tea. Remembering his teacher's words, he switched to law, and the rest is history. His law career, which began in pre-independence Malaya, is certainly illustrious, and he has made lasting contributions to the legal community. Over the decades, he has been the president of the Malaysian Bar, a High Court judge, and one of the 5 judges in the new commercial division of Kuala Lumpur's High Court.
My heyday was as the head of the commercial division when some of the very biggest cases in the country, commercial cases, came before me. So I had great lawyers like Cyrus Das and Tommy Thomas and so on, Lim Kian Chai, appearing before me.
After his retirement, VC became a consultant with Screen, a prestigious law firm where he remains until today. Not one to sit idle in his golden years, he penned a book titled Some Stories I Have Told and Some That I Haven't during the pandemic. Looking back, VC says he never expected to scale the heights he did.
I was a mediocre student. I never expected to get anywhere. Eventually, I got to some high places simply not because of any special ability of mine. I happened to be the right man at the right place. So today, in my opinion, we have a very sound judiciary with acclaimed Maimun, Chief Justice of Malaya, doing a fantastic job, and a number of other judges with her, Nalini Padmanabhan, Mary, Lim and so on, doing a fabulous job. And we have a very judiciary we should be very proud of.
Sheela Vijayan, FMT Lifestyle.